Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Faraway. This is going to be the painting process, and let's just get started. Everything has been covered. I already added some self-etching primer on the bare metal areas, so we're good to go. I'm going to start adding the 2K sealer and go from there. Alright, so let's just get started. And there's the sealer, guys. The sealer, you only need one coat. If it covers, good. It covered everything on mine. The reason I use sealer on this one is because the color orange that it had, it was extremely bright, and I was gonna have to take a lot of coats of the actual paint to cover it up. So I decided to use the sealer, and as you can see, it covered in the first coat. So now the sealer was mixed 4-to-1, which is 4 parts of the sealer, 1 part of reducer, 1 part of the activator. And now I'm going to be mixing the actual paint, the color, and let's start shooting it. The colors mixed 2-to-1, 2 parts paint, 1 part of reducer. Let's go. Okay guys, I did buy a gallon and 1 quart of paint. I know I'll be able to make it with 1 gallon. The thing is that I'm gonna paint everything separate, and I don't want. I'm just playing it safe. I don't want me to have to order some more paint, so I just bought an extra one. I'm gonna add this one first to the first coat, and then I'm gonna top it off with 2 coats of the other one, the gallon one. I want this coat to be on top, so just in case they didn't mix it the exact color, but I know they did. And now all I gotta do is just start mixing it and spraying it. Alright guys, there it is. This is after 3 coats of base. Now I'm going to let it set for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and start adding the clear. It's coming out real nice. Everything has been painted, so we're just going to wait 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and start adding the clear. Now let me show you the clear I'm going to be putting on this car. There it is, guys. It's going to be Grand 7. This is mixed 2-to-1. It's brand new, so let's just go ahead and mix it. But before that, after the 20 minutes, I'm going to go get myself a tack rag and clean the entire car before applying the clear. Okay? You need to do that. You'll see what I pick up. You need to clean all this, all the paper, plastic, whatever you use. You need to clean everything so that nothing lands on the clear. All right, so let me do this. But this is the clear I'm going to be using. So let's just get started. And there it is, guys. This is everything I picked up from the car. So all of this would have stayed underneath the clear. So it's a good idea for you to clean it with a tack rag before you start applying the clear. And there it is, guys. This is after 3 coats of base and 4 coats of clear inside and out. So it came out real nice, real shiny. And that's it. All I need to do is just let it dry and start working on the other parts. But all in all, it came out real nice. I hope the camera picks up the color that it's a real nice color, guys. So that's it. Alright guys, so this will be it for this video. Like the video, guys, share the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And there's more to come, guys. Alright guys, be careful, take care of yourselves, and be with your families in this time, guys. Alright, thank you, and like always, God bless.